In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Invoice in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to watch out for, so you can clean up, test, or duplicate invoices with confidence. First, open your Zoho Books dashboard and head to the main navigation on the left. From there, go to the Sales section. This is where all your sales-related records live, including estimates, invoices, and payments. Opening Sales sets you up to work directly with your invoices. Next, choose Invoices to view your full invoice list. You'll see columns for customer names, statuses, dates, and amounts. If you have a long list, you can use the search bar or filters to quickly narrow it down by customer or status, but that's optional. The key is to be certain you've identified the exact invoice you intend to remove, since deletion is permanent and will affect your sales reports. When you've found the correct invoice, select it by clicking the checkbox next to it. This tells Zoho Books which record you plan to act on. If the invoice has a payment applied, a credit note linked, or is part of a retainer workflow, keep in mind that the delete option may be unavailable until those links are removed. If you see that delete is grayed out, double check the invoice's status and associations. With the invoice selected, click Delete. You'll typically find this at the top of the invoice list once at least one checkbox is marked. Zoho Books is careful about irreversible actions, so it will show a confirmation message. Take a brief moment to review that message and make sure you've chosen the correct invoice. To finalize, click OK on the confirmation prompt. Zoho Books will remove the invoice from your list, and it will no longer appear in your reports or customer statements. This action can't be undone, so if you think you might need the details later, consider exporting the invoice list beforehand or using voiding for historical visibility instead of deletion. Also note that invoice numbers may not be reused automatically, so gaps in numbering are normal after deletions. That's it. You went to Sales, opened Invoices, selected the correct record, clicked Delete, and confirmed with OK. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll keep your books tidy and accurate without removing something you still need. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you work through your own account.